Hello mga katanto ko. Kamusta naman? So, this afternoon, yan, tingnan nyo kung sino ka bandi.
Hi!
Yes, because you are what?
Craving.
So, nagka-crave kasi siya dito sa isa to sa mga ano eh, got to go grill, no? Na ano, and then another thing is if you na see sunset, ayan, sa likod, no? Yan. So, dito yan. And ito yung ano, ito yung pinupuntahan namin madalas sa grill. Yan. Ay, kamanong. So, yan, marami dito, no? Kompleto. May barbecue, may atay, may meron sila yung sa mga favorite namin yung squid. Yan, yung dried squid. Tapos, chicharong bulaklak. Yan. Show you. Yan. So, ito. Yummy?
Yes.
Yan. So, share a bit of story. So, this place, when we were young, normally every Sunday, yan, we come here, dinadala kami dito nila daddy, tsaka ni mommy, with our neighbors, yan, mga kapitbahay namin, the whole street, no? These are the Chinoy in that village, kasama yung mga kids nila, yan, mga kababata. And then dito, may dala silang mga banig, you know, and then may mga baon silang mga pagkain, and then yun, we just sit around here, you know? Tapos, yun, before, you can still park in this area, pero ngayon, sinarado na siya. Dahil nagkaroon dito ng parang dati it's like a jumbo palace. It's a restaurant, a boat restaurant. It's very big. Pero ngayon wala na, no? So, if you wanna relax, ang marami dito talaga is yung mga bikers. Yan, marami yan. Yung mga nagbabike, yan, titignan mo yan. Dito, mga nagbabike, mga nagja-jog. Dito, lalo na pagka weekend, there's so many people here. So nagkataon ngayon is weekdays, there's not much. Even dito sa grill, hindi rin ganun kadami. And ayun lang. Gonna breathe some fresh air, you know, beside the sea. Ito namin dito seaside eh. Yan, may mga yacht sa likod. Tapos yan na yun. This is the skyline of Manila. So if you wanna see the buildings of Manila, dito yan. And nagkataon that we were on the road, and then sinabihan ako ni Handsome na daddy, like, kinda drop by the seaside. So, yun, sinamahan ko. And ano lang, just to refresh at the same time, yun, to unwind dahil it's been a day, no? Maraming ginawa, maraming kinausap. And yun, just enjoy the grill here. Well, if you're a barbecue fan, no, I could say itong place na to, you could drop by kasi ang dami rin pupunta dito, hindi lang talaga mga bikers, pati may mga celebrity rin kami nakikita dito, may mga yung mga nagja-jog, and talagang okay naman, the food is good. Lahat ng grill niya, from barbecue to isaw to yung atay, ano pa ba, chicharon bulaklak niya is good, no? Hotdog niya naman is normal hotdog, tender juicy, you know. So ito, dinadayo siya talaga, and they close early, around mga, I think around mga 8:30 close na sila. So may rice din dito, but today we decided to just have pika-pika lang, no, yung kumbaga konti lang, drop by lang para to ease the cravings, no. Lapit na nito sa airport. Yan, ang ganda lang ng ano dito. Actually, we thought we will see the sunset, right? Pero, yun nga, hindi kami umabot. Medyo traffic outside. Kaya, ayun. Ayan, oh, yung likod, oh. Isipin mo yan. On a sunset, grabe, orange. Orange, no? Handsome?
Yes.
The whole sky is orange. Tapos talagang, ang saya lang. And I'm telling him the story way back when we were still really kids, you know. Talagang dito kami dito every Sunday. Wala yung excuse. Every Sunday, lahat yan magkakabarkada sila daddy, yan yung mga kaibigan niya in that village, in our street. Talagang magkakasama kami dito. Tapos yun, maglalatag sila dyan ng banig, dala silang kanin, adobo. That time, those were, yun na yung parang banding talaga eh. Kaya yun, syempre, I wanna share to the next generation what we did way back, you know. And, ang saya lang, no, guys. So, later on, you know, if in case you have plans to you wanna relax and then you wanna see lang the seaside, the sunset dito, this is one of the best place. At the same time, after you could also have yun nga, grill, no, of your choice, no. So hindi lang talaga Pilipino pupunta dito. You could see Chinese, other foreigners coming here. Ayan, pakita ko sa inyo. Ayan, diba? So these are foreigners, you know. Foreigners sila, pero na-enjoy nila yung local. Tapos na, no? Yan. Tapos na ba? So, yan, no? So, even foreigners eat here. Sila. So, you could sit down. Pwede kang kumain dito. Order ka ng rice. Pwede rin. Okay? O nga pala guys, if you are eating here, bawal magdala ng outside food. Ayan. So, bawal ang baon dito. Okay, siguro one of the reason rin bakit kami nag-drop by dito, no, is to show him, no, yung lifestyle way back before, kasi parang nagte-trending ngayon yung kay di ba? Kay Mr. Ramon Ang. Kilala naman natin 'yan, 'di ba? One of the rich and most famous billionaire, na yung lifestyle ba on how we gonna raise up our kids. So yun, kaya in-invite niya ako. Sabi niya, Dad, I'm craving on on barbecue and the grill thing. Sabi ko, sige, drop by tayo. So I also showed him where we go, no, yung mga bata kami, where his Kongkong bringing us mga panahon na yun, tsaka si Mom. And yun guys, siguro it's high time rin, no, itong nagva-viral na video ni RSA, no, na maintindihan natin na it's very important for the next generation to understand na hindi naman masama yung luxury, pero to live life that they know, at least they know lang na kung ano yung proper, ano yung tamang way of lalo na yung pakikisama sa tao, no. That's very important. I always tell them na how they should treat people, 'di ba? So, yun, mission accomplished naman kami. Ayan. Sarap. Yeah. Basta food bonding 'yan ang kasama ko. So, guys, another this is another day with Tantuko TV food vlog. Yan. Pwede niyo bisitahin 'to. This is just near Coconut Palace. Ito yung Coconut Palace, and yan, sa tabi na yan. Yan. And Sofitel. Ayan yung Sofitel likod namin. So guys, in case you wanna chill, isa to sa mga magagandang place, no. Hindi naman magaganda, pero isa to sa mga lugar na medyo if wanna breathe air, ayan, pwede dito. So guys, I always share, di ba, na stay happy, enjoy life, no. Stay happy para walang anxiety and stress. Enjoy.